It's Josh with ChiroOneSource, and in this video I want to introduce you to the different styles of DoctorInsole and show you some marketing material as well that you can use with them. So I want to start off with the FitStep. It is gender specific. The blue is going to go in a men's tennis shoe or any other shoe with a removable insole. The women's is the red, and it's going to go in the same style of shoes. So the main difference between the two is that the women's is going to be 1/8 of an inch thicker. It's kind of hard to see in the video, but there's definitely a noticeable difference. The reason why this one's 1/8 of an inch thicker is just because women tend to have less fat on the bottom of their feet, so they tend to have more foot pain. So this is going to give you a little bit more cushion in the women's shoes. So the next one I want to talk about is the MultiStep. It's going to have a nice synthetic leather feel to it. For men, it's going to go in your dress shoes, boots, anything that's going to be, you're going to need a little more lower profile insole, something that you don't have a removable insole. Work great in Sperry's, nicer dress shoes, even work boots, that kind of thing. So the women's is going to be 3/4 length, and it's going to go in shoes, closed-toed shoes that have less than a 2-inch heel, as well as some of your other boots. So these are the MultiStep. The men's is going to have a blue label on it, and the women's is going to have a light pink label on it. So the next one is the High Step. It's going to have that synthetic leather as well. With this one, it's going to be designed for high heels over 2 inches as well as ballet flats. And this one again is going to be 3/4 inch as well, 3/4 length. The last one I want to show you is the LifeStep. This works great for work boots, some of your pre-diabetic patients, people with wider shoes, a lot of your older population with sash shoes. This is a great product. It's really comfortable. We've had a lot of success with the older population with these. So we're going to also, with these, we're going to provide you with a cheat sheet. So this sheet's going to have all the different styles broken down. It's going to tell you what type of shoe to use for each. And just give you some basic description. So it's a nice little sheet to have on hand until you really get accustomed to each style. So I just kind of want to show you the difference in the shoes that you'd wear. So here's a tennis shoe with, and this would work perfect with the FitStep, or if you're a woman, the red one would be perfect as well. Your men's dress shoe, this works really well, the MultiStep. The women's, if it was a boot that had less of a heel, I would definitely suggest the MultiStep. And then something with a heel like that or a ballet flat works really well with the High Step. And these would be what I would consider, a work boot that I would use for a LifeStep. So thanks for taking the time, and we'll see you in the next video.